All right, guys, so this is how the cabinets are looking right now. I am all done with them. Got all the coats on them. So I'm getting ready to start on the walls. And I'm going to actually try to finish the walls today and then put the second coat on them tomorrow. So, yeah, this is how it looks. And I think it came out pretty good. I will look over it again once I put the other light back in here to make sure that there isn't anything that I missed, you know, little spots and stuff like that. And I didn't do the inside of this, but yeah. But I did do the inside of this one. And I think it came out pretty darn good. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you all go now, and I'll get back to you soon. Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what things are looking like now. I painted the whole ceiling last night. I did a lot of the trim work. And I mean, well, you'll see, you know, some of the gray is on there. As I did like 95% of the trim work, and I'm gonna finish the rest of the trim work and finish the painting today. And when that's all done, then I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, so here's the finished product. Everything's all painted. So now I just gotta come in. I gotta do the floor. I'm gonna take care of this vent, and I'm gonna put in a new faucet. Put the doors back up, the mirror back up, the lights fixtures, put all that back up, and put that light fixture back up. Bring the other glass shower door from downstairs. But yeah, this is how it came out. This is the Repose Gray. And I painted the cabinets black. And the trim and the door white. I gotta put the doorknob back on too. So yeah. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start on the floor and the faucet today. I'm gonna go wash dishes right now. And then once I have finished that, then I'm gonna come in here and get started. So yeah, this is it. So guys, I got paint in a tub. I was able to get it out the tub, but I couldn't get it off of the little black matte pieces here. So if you have any idea how to get this off, comment down below and let me know so I can get that off. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So tell me, what do you guys think about the paint color? I guess this is Repose Gray. Tell me what do you think about the paint colors? How do you think it came out? And I'm gonna get started on the floor and then put this faucet in today. And when I get that done, I'll come back and let you see. Okay, guys, so I am back at it. I am putting the drain, I mean, not the drain, what is it? The new faucet in. Sorry, dear. I just removed the old faucet and it was like really, really hard, but kind of easing at the same time. So I got my helper here with me. Say hi.
I'm just the narrator.
Say hi.
Hello.
Y'all could not do this without her. So I got the old drain out. Now I'm going to I'm not drain, I keep saying drain, faucet out. I'm gonna put the new faucet in and
we'll see how it goes.
we'll see how it goes. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hand me the faucet. The faucet itself.
You gotta put the faucet on first?
Yeah.
How you know?
Cause it gotta go in there.
Oh.
And the plastic. It should be a plastic piece on there too, right?
Spring thing like that.
The right here, the plastic piece.
If there's stuff, you can use pliers, but be careful not to damage the plastic. Take the plastic nuts off on both sides, and the faucet will come right out.
Okay.
Taking it out, you can
Now
see
going like this, right?
very simple design.
Hold on. He's taking it out now.
Underneath the faucet, there's likely going to be some mold and dirt, so take some time to clean it off. It's all clean, so now we're ready to put on the new one. Take off the plastic connection, and then place the plastic sealing gasket.
Which way is it? This way? I have the right way this way.
Go in reverse order from the steps we just completed.
Then go in reverse order.
Wait a minute. Block nuts.
You gotta put on the
reach behind.
After that, you put these on.
Oh, that is so gorgeous. I love this faucet. It's, you don't like that? That's cute.
But how you know what size faucet to get? Did you?
It's recording, yeah. I think they all are pretty standard size.
Oh.
I mean, as far as bathroom faucets, now I don't know about kitchen faucets.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. All right, now what I do?
Put the black things on. They said
put the black things on at the bottom.
Yep.
I don't need nothing else, just these.
Take the plastic nuts off on both sides, and the faucet will come right out. Taking it out, you can see that it's actually a very simple design. Again, underneath the faucet, there's likely going to be some mold and dirt.
Checking your
Take some time to clean it off.
You know,
Straight before you tighten it.
okay.
Straight. I'm holding it.
Line it straight.
Before you tighten it down.
Is it straight?
Yep, I'm holding it.
Okay. What ain't going on? Okay, there you go.
And then you got the other one. Oh, wait, because you tightened it up and moved it. Okay.
Okay, let me loosen up. Let me put the other one on. This camera working as my mirror too.
Oh, you can see.
Mm-hmm.
A light, not a mirror.
No, the mirror.
Oh, so you can see the mirror.
All right.
You get this one.
Okay, there might just be an extra one. I still feel some water somewhere too. Let me I need some paper towels.
I'm the paper towel lady, guys.
Y'all make sure you have plenty paper towels or bowls or something for all this water. Okay.
You screw both of them on?
Nope, they ain't all the way up yet. Okay, get this one. Okay. It's not tight yet. I'm just putting it on this. So, and it said not to use pliers for this too, didn't it? This one will not fall. This must be crooked. Let me see.
can't see.
Yep.
It is fine.
Okay, there we go. It's not easy like the other one was. I need some light. Let me see a light. Okay, I was putting it on wrong. Okay.
You got it.
Let me tighten this one up. Okay. All right. Okay, now what else? Whew.
Down all the way. We'll need to now connect the hoses, but when connecting metal pieces, you'll want to use sealing tape like this to avoid leaks.
Okay, put it
With a
around
small
there.
piece of tape,
Okay.
stretch it fairly tight.
All right, hand me the sealing tape.
That's this blue stuff?
Yeah, what I just bought. Okay. Let me see what I like.
You want me to hold it? Oh, you got it? You got it like that?
Yeah. All right, now I gotta put the sealant tape on. Okay, I gotta get up under here now. Okay. So I can see. I can see.
Look at your camera.
I'm trying to, but I can't.
You want me to hold the camera and
Can you do it that way?
hold the light so you can get under there?
Let me get this water. Ouch, 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 ouch.
You can see?
Shit. Nope, I won't be doing this ever again. I don't know if if I could break it off and put it on there.
Trying to see.
Because otherwise I can't.
Can you see?
A little bit. I hope that's on there right. And it don't look like it is, but this is so not in the right spot. Oh my goodness. This ain't going on here right.
Do you need the sealing tape?
Yeah. So it don't leak.
You want me to do it?
Whew. They gotta go on the screw. I don't know if you can get under that, B. I mean, you can try. Let me watch away.
And they gotta go where?
On the
Piece that's hanging or something?
let me see the lights so you can see.
Should I just wrap it around?
Yeah, but you gotta pull it tight.
Is it sticky?
No.
Oh, Lord.
I know. You talking about me?
Well, that's right. No, I'm crazy. Okay. It gotta go well now.
See the gold, the thing, the metal piece that's hanging right there, the metal piece, the gold piece.
Okay.
You gotta go around there.
Okay. I gotta get under there. I gotta. Okay. I can't see it from here. I can't see it from here. At least you got a reason to do it. I don't. Hold on, man. You just got to wrap all the way around it.
Yeah, do it a couple times so it can seal.
It don't stick.
And stick to the pipe.
It won't stick. Do this come off? How does this come off? Just keep wrapping?
Just keep wrapping, yeah.
Okay. How are you supposed to get up under here with this in the way?
Right.
Okay. I can't see with that anyway, now. Just relax.
Okay.
I gotta face this other way. I'm gonna need you to press pause.
You closer? I can't reach it.
Cause I gotta make a whole turn.
Okay, just hit the pause
You
button.
want, okay. You want
Ready?
You want to see how to twist it? Saying?
I need the light.
Oh, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a light right there.
Okay.
You just twisting them on there?
Yep.
Can you see? We need to go on the other side.
No, I need to. Give me that. Give me the
what?
camera. I'm in the light.
You want to press play?
I did.
You want me to hold the light?
Oh my God. You can do it.
So, how she gonna tell me I ain't answer my phone? But she'll never
Answer hers, right? Like ever.
I should have told her I couldn't hear her.
You like.
My phone broke. Oh, it's untwisted. That's why it's leaking.
What's untwisted?
That pipe. That water.
This one?
Yeah. It's like water coming out.
It is. Okay.
You know what to do for me. I'm just twisting it all thing. Wrench.
No, not yet. I mean the pliers. I'll tighten it up. I just want to get it on there.
Get back. Don't drink that.
Is it a dry towel? Give me a, cause my hands is wet.
They all wet. They all salty.
Give me a dry paper towel.
Oh, Lord, I done unwrapped the whole roll.
I only need one piece. Just give me one piece. I know I do it all the time. Oh, I ain't even on there. What do with the pliers?
Right there.
Give me pliers. I got it.
This place, the needle nose place.
Oh, damn, this ain't on there. Why is this not going on there? Oh, shit.
What you want me to do it?
How is it so hard to screw a darn screw in?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'm screwing it the wrong way. That could be a thought, right?
It's going the wrong way.
I don't know if you can see.
Let me try.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. My back.
Maybe you should have unloosened them, lift them up, screw it, and then put it back down. You
Lift
know
what
do
up? This?
Mhm.
I ain't finna redo that.
It's just a time, right? Oh.
I ain't finna do that.
Oh. You got it.
I don't know yet. Although I think it's on in there. Yeah, that makes no sense. Oh, turn it the wrong way. Am I turned the wrong way? I think I turned it the way. Uh-oh, I think I messed up.
Is it tight? Oh.
Yep, I would never do this again. Now, I mean, if I absolutely had to, but just to be doing it, nope.
It hurts me.
You do.
Not well.
Like sweating, all that
Like
stuff.
oil shit, like sweating some type of sheen or something. Or oil lotion or something. It's on there now.
Yeah, but I want to make sure it's
Is it
it's
tight? You make the pliers?
I don't want to tighten it too tight. What else is after this? What is after that? Okay, we finally got the faucet on after, how long it's been?
Long enough.
A long time. I advise you, don't do it by yourself. Get some help. It was a lot. Anywho, here go the faucet. It's on. That's so pretty. Let me turn it on. There are no leaks. Only problem that I did, what? Is I lost a couple of pieces. I can take that out. But anyway, the faucet is up now. And I'm going to clean this mess up. I got this camera all in my face. I'm going to clean this mess up. And, well, I tell you, my camera person will clean this mess up. And then I'm going to start on the floor. And then after tomorrow, I should be done with everything. Because I think it takes the grout like 24 hours to dry. I got to read the thing. I think it's like 24.
It do, yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean,
I think it's about 24 hours. So I'm finna do that now, and then after tomorrow I should be done with everything, and I'll get back to you guys later.